Hello, my love bugs. 24 hours late. And also, this happened again where one of my videos got corrupted. The file got corrupted. So, this is the second time around. We're going to do the same thing as the one I just showed you, which is three light pink, two dark pink. But I mixed up where I did it this time, right? It's basically the same set, but I mixed everything up a little. I just it's hard for me to want to do the exact same set over and over again. So when I realized that I had to redo it for you guys, I just went on ahead and changed it up a little, for fun. And I actually feel like I like the second one better. Okay, so let me explain to you what happened. We're gonna do some foil here. On the dark pinks, we're just gonna do a little scattered everywhere, a little here, a little there. And I'm using an old piece that I still had laying around. Well, actually from the other set. Just using an old piece from that set to do the scattered bit. And then I'm going to do full sheets on the other three nails. And while I do that, I'll explain to you what happened. Okay, so yesterday when I got up, I knew I had to, I got up early because I knew I had to knock out a set really fast and get it edited. And so when I got up, my intention was to just, get everything done and uploaded for you guys. But lo and behold, I had no internet. And actually, that's what woke me up even earlier than I intended to get up, because I sleep with fan noise on, and if it's too cold for the fan to be on, I'll just turn it on my phone from YouTube. And the internet went out, so my fan noise went off, and that woke me up because I could hear the street noise and people talking and whatnot outside. So that was annoying. So I got up, I realized that was off, and I'm like, okay, let me just turn the fan on and go back to bed, which is what I did. And when I got up, I thought, oh, it'll be turned on. We'll get up in another couple hours. It was not. It was not. And it was off, I think, about 14 hours total. So that's why you didn't get a video yesterday. Not because my video was corrupted. We're putting a base coat on this to protect it in case I have to clean up anything that I do next. Okay, I just don't want to ruin the foil. And can I just stop and say that hollow though? That I love this pink hollow on this foil. I love the hearts on it. I've had this for a while and I've been wanting to use it for Valentine's, and here we are. So yay, I love this stuff. It's gorgeous. So I'm just putting a base coat on it to protect it. So anyway, it was down for about 14 hours, and that's why you don't have a video yesterday. That's the only reason. Everything else I could have overcome, and I would have. But there's only so much I can do. Even their Wi-Fi, you know how when you're with Cox you get the Wi-Fi that's throughout the city that you can use too. That was down. Everything was down, at least in my neighborhood. I'm sure it was not down everywhere. But yeah, so you can blame Cox.net for screwing you out of a video yesterday. But here I am coming through and getting you one day late. Sorry about that. So I'm just striping it up. I just wanted something to bring it to a different place, right? The foil is romantic and sweet, but with a more modern edge because of that very linear hollow that's in there. It's got a very prismatic quality. So there's that. I mean, it pulls it into a more modern place. But I thought if I just added some stripes, it would play on that a little bit more and give us an extra dimension to the beauty of the look. I am not upset with how it came out. The other set, the stripes on it are not exactly the same. And the colors are different. So I feel like you're going to get to see them side by side right next to each other at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around. But also, it's more subtle. The other set is more subtle. This one's a little more jazzy and fun. I don't know what adjective I want to use for that, but it's just with some of the stripes going horizontal and some going vertical. It's just giving it a different flavor. The colors are bringing out different tones from the pinks, and I'm vibing with it more. So in a way, I guess having to redo the set really brought out my creativity and made me take it to a new place that I'm super happy about. So once you see them side by side at the end, make sure that you let me know in the comment section what you think of them, but also which one is your favorite. So we're pulling out the CADS plate that I have. It's the only one I have by them, but I really want to get more. It's one of their festival ones. As you can see there, it's 014. But it's got all the hearts on there, and there isn't a better time in the world to use this than for Valentine's Day. So I'm picking and choosing the ones that I want, and I'm not filling any of the nails. We're just accenting our art. You know, it's like a modern art piece where you're doing a little of this and a little of that, and then you go a splash of this. Well, this is our splash of hearts. There you go. And it's so much fun to do stamping, and it's so easy. So this look right here is, you don't have to be artistic. Literally anyone could accomplish this, and it looks really professional. It looks very artistic, and I love it. I love it. Okay, so here they are both together. See what I mean? It's a little more subtle on the top, and it's a little more rich on the bottom. So I like the bottom one a little better. That's what I'm saying with my hand motion there. I like this one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you wear these? You could do one kind on one hand and the more subtle on the other. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys to pieces. Gonna see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.